Any planet you visit, the law of gravity follows you there. Even if you're on Mars, Mercury, or Jupiter, you can't escape it. However, the effects of gravity on this planet are different. With Mavinhub Physics Lab, we can take a trip into our solar system and experience the difference between the level of gravity on each planet virtually. Which of the following planets has the highest gravity, for instance? Let's find out using Mavinhub Physics Lab. Choose any experiment for determining acceleration due to gravity. Go to the setting and change the acceleration due to gravity to Earth, Mercury, and Mars respectively. Now, let's start the simulation for these three experiments simultaneously. The planet with the strongest gravity make the first 10 oscillations. The planet with the least gravity is the one that takes the longest to complete 10 oscillations. Mercury has the lowest gravity among these three because it takes more time to complete the oscillation. What do you need to work on Mercury with the lowest gravity? Tell us by leaving a comment below. Download the Mavinhub Physics Lab to simulate physics experiments virtually from anywhere you are on planet Earth and to also learn more about physics.